This video is a part of a series all about manipulating arrays. Let's talk about the push method. Say we have our 3 cats listed out in an array, but we want to get a new kitten. We can use the push method to add the new kitten to the array of cats. The push method adds 1 or more items to the end of an array. This method manipulates the array itself. The method call will return the length of the updated array. Let's talk about the push method syntax. This variable will be the length of the updated array. This is the call to the push method. This is the item or items that will be added to the end of the array. Let's dive into some code. Say our array is called myCats. Let's create a variable called length, then use push to manipulate the myCats array, and call our new kitten Garfield. We'll make sure to do a console.log of both length and the array that we've updated. We'll use Node to run the file, and we'll see that the length is now 4 and the updated array. Let's say we thought a little more and decided that 4 cats was not enough cats. We went to the shelter and found 2 perfect cats that were bonded together, so decided to get both. If we wanted to add both of these cats to our array, we can do so using the push method. We'll create another variable called newLength and add both cats to the array using the push method. We'll call our new cats Peanut Butter and Jelly. Let's do another console.log to see both the result of newLength and the updated array. Let's run the file using Node, and we'll see that the newLength is 6 and the updated array of all of our cats.